Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit in Libertex in iPhone. It's super simple and perfect for beginners. You need to open the Libertex app first if you do not have, so you can simply go to the app store and you can download it from there as well. And after that, tap on the Libertex app on the screen. We could see that. And over here on the bottom, we could see there's a search icon. Tap on the search icon. And in the top, there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down asset. And over here, we could see a tons of asset. What you have to do is you can select any of the asset from here, as I'm going to select USD or CHF. And after that, you'll see an invest button. And you can tap invest, and this opens the order window where you can sell, buy, stop loss, take profit, and the amount. And make sure that always use stop loss. Try 1:2 risk to reward ratio, so small losses does not hurt your account. And that is it. Now you know how to set stop loss and take profit in Libertex on iPhone. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if this video is helpful. And if you have any trouble setting stop loss and take profit in Libertex, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.